Join me as we build an AI tool that analyzes YouTube videos and PDFs using Google's Gemini 2.0. In our digital age, we're overwhelmed with information. Finding key insights is tough. YouTube videos and PDFs are full of useful knowledge, but extracting it takes time and effort. I wanted a tool that could automatically analyze and summarize this content, saving time and effort. My aim was to build a tool that could understand both videos and PDFs and produce valuable summaries. The goal was to create a unified analysis tool for both YouTube videos and PDF documents. I wanted the tool to generate summaries, study guides, questions and answers, and even quizzes. For YouTube videos, I planned to create a time-stamped index of the main topics discussed. I chose Gemini 2.0 Flash and Kaggle for its powerful features and collaborative environment. Gemini's function calling and content understanding were crucial for structuring outputs and analyzing content. Python code was used within a Kaggle notebook to develop and iterate on the tool. Integrating APIs like YouTube, Google Workspace, and Gemini was essential, along with effective prompt engineering. Of course, building this tool came with its share of development challenges. Robust error handling and navigating the Kaggle environment were key to ensuring the tool's reliability. Kaggle's collaborative features allowed me to share, receive feedback, and learn from the community. The final tool delivers concise summaries, study guides, questions and answers, and quizzes. The tool efficiently generated summaries, study guides, questions and answers, and quizzes from videos and PDFs. For YouTube videos, it also provided a time-stamped index, making navigation easier. There were several key takeaways and insights from this project that I want to share. Gemini 2.0 Flash significantly increased productivity, letting me focus on higher-level logic. Collaborative development on Kaggle was crucial to overcoming challenges and improving functionality. This project highlighted the immense potential of AI to enhance education and learning. This project is just the beginning. I have plans to further enhance the tool with more features. I plan to improve output accuracy and add more detailed, granular information. Adding support for more file types and video platforms is a high priority. Developing a browser extension and a user interface will make the tool more user-friendly. Developing this tool was an exciting and rewarding experience, combining my interests in AI and education. This tool has the potential to make content consumption and learning more efficient and accessible.